Good morning students, welcome to our virtual classroom. Our lesson for today is all about draw grid and dimension line according to architectural design standard. At the end of this lesson you will be able to identify the correct dimensioning in drawing floor plan. Perform and carry out dimensioning in floor plan. Now let's start with grid. The use of grid to which sizes and locations of building components may be related is helpful in preparation of all types and drawings, and particularly so when modular coordination is applied to design and construction. Most common grid rotation is using letters to define the line axis and numerals to define the lines on the other axis. This is a grid. The architectural grid is a collection of grid lines that lie in a horizontal plane. Vertical lines can be projected from each grid intersection of the architectural grid. These extend to the topmost level at which the architectural grid has been applied. Next, dimension. Dimensions are found on all types of architectural drawings and are presented using lines, numerical values, and symbols or notes and specifications. It is a numerical value expressed in appropriate units of measurement and used to define the size, location, orientation, form or other geometric characteristics. These are the different kinds of dimensions: linear, aligned, angular and radius diameter. The dimensioning system most commonly used in architectural drafting is known as aligned dimensioning. Dimensions are placed in line with the dimension lines and read from the bottom or right side of the sheet. A dimension line is a line showing the length of the dimension, terminating at the related extension lines. Here are the rules in dimensioning. First, to remember, arrowhead symbolizes the end of the dimension line. Next, measurements should be written above dimension lines. Third, dimension lines are placed about 10 mm apart. Then, rooms are dimensioned from the center line of partitions. Next, in dimensioning stairs, the number of risers is placed on a line with an arrow indicating the direction up or down. Sixth, dimensions always refer to the actual size of the building regardless of the scale of the drawing. And, never write too much or double entry dimensions to free excessive dimension. Congratulations! You're done with our lesson. Let's check what you have learned. Are you ready? On Self-Check 2.1 you just need to choose the letter of the correct answer and remember to read each item very carefully. If you're done with the previous activity, I'm sure you're now ready to answer the activity sheet 2.1. And it's about dimensioning. Just observe very carefully the drawing in your module and identify the mistake on dimensioning rules and write the correct method to make it correct. Don't forget to write your answers in the intermediate paper. And that ends our lesson for today. I hope you are ready for the activities prepared in your module. Have a great day and stay safe.